Yeah, Frank,
That's
what's
right.
happening, buddy?
Well, I'm gonna make my wife a rich lady today. I'm fully insured and just downright prepared.
But you realize that you're gonna be taking someone with you, though. You have an instructor on your back.
Well, of course. But it never hurts to be prepared. Boy Scout
There you go.
to the death. Yeah.
All right.
It's my birthday, 40th.
Boom, boom, birthday high five.
That's
kaboom.
right. That's right. 40th and skydiving. Next year, bull riding.
There you go.
That's right.
How come you're not all suited up over there, girl?
I'm too afraid of heights.
What?
Yes, but she likes to see me fall.
Yes.
She's seen me fall a lot.
All right, man. Well, tell me a little bit about this skydive today. How high up are we going to be going?
Something like 10,000, right?
Yeah, over 2 miles up in the air. How fast are we
2
going to be
miles.
falling once we jump out of this
We're
airplane?
going to be falling fast enough.
There you go. It's
That's
something about
right.
120 miles an hour.
120
Something
miles
like
an
that.
hour. Wow.
Somewhere around 5,000 feet. Our
That's right.
instructor's going to deploy that parachute.
We're doing reading today on the guy that jumped the highest.
Okay.
How
How high was that?
He went 102,000 feet up.
Wow.
And his speed was 619 miles an hour
Wow.
when he came down. Almost broke the sound barrier. So
That's
hey,
crazy.
All
This
special
is lightweight.
Yeah. We're going to be doing nothing compared to that.
That's right.
This is a walk in the park compared
Yeah.
to that, man.
All right.
buddy. Well, I just want you to remember one thing on my part right there in free fall. Try to keep it up a little bit so we get some good photos so we got proof you did this.
Oh, so we have proof we did it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cool,
okay.
buddy?
Oh, so we can watch.
So yeah.
Well, you got my profile there. It's pretty good.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Well, I'll see you outside, man. Let's go have some fun.
All right, man.
Thank you very much,
All right.
guys.
Thank you.
Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal. Fear is how I fall, confusing what is real. There's something inside me that pulls beneath the surface, consuming, confusing. This lack of self-control I fear is never ending, controlling. I can't.
All right, Frank. What's happening, buddy?
I'm ready, man.
You ready to go do
I was
this?
born for this. Yeah. Mile High Club. It's a winch.
Whoa. Hey, dude, there's a bunch of dudes on this airplane.
Hey.
It's never too late to start, right?
Right. I don't know, man. I don't know, buddy.
All right, dude. Let's rock this out, man. I'll see you outside this airplane. Let's have a good time, brother.
I'm working on it. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, guys. Woo!
All right.
Woo!
Against my will, I stand beside my own reflection. It's haunting how I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence. I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh. Turn on, I see red. Adrenaline crash, crack my head. Natural sugar, paint me dead.
feel good. Woo! Man. Woohoo! You the man.
So is that good stuff
You
or
the
what,
man.
dude?
Woo!
You like that, huh?
Man.
Take those goggles
That's
off, hand
tough,
it to me.
man. That is tough.
I know, man.